write down. What was it you needed to write down?
He's
Puka Paka Pie.
Okay, that's one of them.
Puka Paka Pie. Write it down to song.
Toby, who's Puka Paka Pie?
He's in an old house.
He what?
Well, I don't know what
He's
those
a
are.
pen.
We saw them all the time.
He's at your house?
He's a pen.
He's your friend?
Yeah.
What?
What's his name?
Puka
I don't know
Paka
if those are,
Pie.
but that's what they did. All different colors. There's
What do you do with your friend?
I've never seen hammocks in Indonesia. They don't look like the kind I'd want.
Might not know.
Do you share your Smarties with
What
your
is that
friend,
called?
Puka
Oh,
Paka
those
Pie?
are canaries or parakeets.
Are you going to give him one?
Ha! Did you get to a hotel?
Iya, iya.
What are they? They're bigger.
What?
Mainan. Ayunan, ayunan.
Ayunan.
Iya.
That's what it is.
Didn't you get to a
You're going to
hotel?
write that down or not?
Sure.
When we get to the hotel?
Yeah.
He's at the hotel?
All gone.
Where's Puka Paka Pie right now?
He's at a hotel.
Is he sleeping in your bed?
Yeah.
He didn't want to come with us to the mall?
I forgot to bring
Yeah. He's so sleepy.
We're not going to Ace, are we?
We could. There's one in Central